Daddy. It's lovely to see you again. I was half afraid you wouldn't get here.
Oh, I was very much afraid I wouldn't get here myself. You've no idea the wangling I've had to do to get away.
Did you come down by train?
No, by road.
Oh, where's your car?
The car. Oh, I've left that. I've left it about 2 miles away. You know, my chauffeur, Pickford, careless monkey, taking a wrong turning, ran into a bank and smashed the fender and the back axle, I think. Is this Jimmy?
Oh, yes, I'm so sorry.
Oh. How do you do, sir?
How do you do?
I've been looking forward to meeting you.
Oh, that's very nice. Well, where are all the folk?
They're inside. Come along.
Yes. Hello, Margaret.
Hello, Benjamin.
My word, you look fine.
Oh, thank you, Benjamin. And how are you?
Oh, busy, you know, very busy. Hello, Roger. Oh, you're looking well, too.
Do I?
Yes.
Daddy, I do hope you'll be able to stay for a few days this time.
Yes, that would be nice.
Oh, yes, I'd be very... well, I'm afraid that business won't permit, you know.
Oh, Daddy, that's too bad. It's always the same.
Ah, but I did manage to get down for your birthday, didn't I? Oh, that reminds me. Many happy returns.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, Barbara, time we were getting along.
Yes, Uncle, but... Oh, well, now that Daddy's here, don't you think that we'll...
It's all right. Don't worry about me. I don't want to upset your arrangements. I'll be here when you come back.
You sure you don't mind?
No, certain, my dear. And don't let me detain you either.
Well, I'll join you two at the meet if you go on ahead. I want to consult your father on a matter of business.
All right, then. Come along, Jimmy.
Cheers, sir.
Cheerio. Have a good time. Ah, nice boy, that Jimmy, isn't it?
Oh, yes, he is. He and Barbara, you know, they want to be engaged.
Oh, is that so? Huh?
Yes, his father's a great friend of mine, Lord Burbank. The Burbanks are one of the oldest families in England.
Oh, well, I wouldn't hold that against him.
I should think not. Margaret?
Oh, yes, all right, Roger. If you'll excuse me.
Sit down, Benjamin. Now, look here, Benjamin. When my wife's sister died, I undertook to bring up your daughter and to give her the social advantages to which she was entitled. Up to the present, I have scrupulously carried out my side of the bargain. I've even managed to conceal from Barbara the fact that you are a failure. A miserable failure.
Oh, well, I wouldn't say miserable.
On your part, you undertook to keep away from here, except on certain special occasions such as this. When I come back, I shall bring Lord Burbank with me. So the less you say while he's here and the sooner you leave, the better for all concerned. I won't have a repetition of what happened last time.
Well, you mean when the butler showed me the wine cellar?
Exactly. And the time before.
Oh, but then the butler only...
Every time you come here, a butler has to go. Thank heaven this fellow's a total abstainer. Time I was going. Well, I don't know how you're going to entertain yourself till we get back. The drinks are all locked up.
Oh, what a pity. What a pity.
Did you ring, sir?
Oh, no.
Can I get you anything, sir?
Hey?
Is there anything you want, sir?
Well, I wouldn't mind...
I'm very sorry, sir, but the drinks are all locked up.
Yes, I know that, but... are they? Oh, well, I wasn't thinking of a drink. As a matter of fact, I don't touch it at all.
Oh, really, sir?
No.
I'm a teetotaler, too.
Oh, well, I'm not exactly a teetotaler, you know, but I only take it as a medicine.
Oh, really?
I suffer with spasms, you know, and I find a little brandy or whiskey or gin. In fact, any kind of spirit is the only thing that relieves me.
Do you have them often, sir?
Well, they're not regular, you know. That's the trouble, you see. I never know when one's likely to come on. Oh, dear. Whew, that was nasty. Oh, dear. Oh.
Could I get you an aspirin, sir?
Oh, no, that would only aggravate it. No, there's only one thing would ease it, and as that's locked up, well, I suppose I have to grin and bear it. I suppose this is locked, isn't it?
Yes, but perhaps Sir Roger would open it under the circumstances.
Oh, no, I don't want him to know. No, he would only, he would worry.
Well, perhaps one of my keys might open it.
Let's try it, yes? Yes,
Any luck, sir?
No, I'm afraid. No. It's pity, isn't it? But you haven't got a hairpin?
No.
No, of course not, no. Shame. Well, that's funny, isn't it? You know, I've got a safe in my office that opens exactly the same way.
Really?
Yes. Ah, this'll soon put me right.
Shall I pour it out for you, sir?
Oh, no, I know just exactly how much I need. Yes. Just as well to be sure. It's a marvellous remedy, that, you know. If you have a spasm, I advise you to take it.
Oh, I never have spasms, sir. The only thing I'm troubled with is the toothache.
Toothache?
Yes, I have a hollow tooth here.
Have you? Let me see it. Oh, so you have, yes. Is it aching now?
A little, sir.
Is it? Oh, I can stop that aching at once. Why, this is the very stuff.
Oh, no, sir, I never drink alcohol.
No, I don't want you to drink it. Just hold a little in your tooth, you know, like this. Watch me. Go on, try that. Go on, it won't hurt you. Go on. That's it. That's any better?
Well, oh, I've swallowed it.
Oh, no, you mustn't swallow it. No, just hold it in your tooth. Watch me again, look. Go on, try it again. Take a little more this time. That's it. Now, feeling any better now?
I do believe it's taking effect, sir.
Do you? Good, you keep on doing that. That's the idea. Now. That's it.
Now, you watch this one.
This is my favorite shot. Good break, old boy. Well, aches and pains.
Aches and pains.
Try. I want 3 for game. Right. Well, that's that. You're not in my class, old boy.
No, billiards is not my game.
Well, got any more games? Bring them out. I'll play at any of them.
I've got a game I'll beat you at.
Oh, shall we? Come on. Come on.
Now, you watch this one.
This is my favorite shot.
Yes.
I'm so glad your father will be able to meet Daddy.
Yes, great.
I'll do my best.
Mind your nose.
Where's Daddy?
Oh, he's about somewhere. Roger, just ring the bell and ask Martin to find him, will you?
Wonderful, old boy. You've rung the bell.
Bell?
Yes.
Bell? Oh, I'm wanted. Oh, excuse me. Just
No. You finish your game. I'll go.
Oh, no. No, that's what I get paid for.
Oh.
Now, which of them wants me?
Those 2.
Oh.
You know, Barbara, I shall enjoy meeting your father. I've heard such a lot about him from Jimmy.
Oh,
Yes, probably this is the last opportunity you'll have for some time. You see,
Yes, he's such a busy man. Always snowed under by briefs and things.
You know, I like these professional men.
Oh, Sir Roger, you are Martin?
Sir Roger Wimbledon to see you, sir. Hello, Lodge. Hi, here, what's this? Yeah, I bet you can do it. Go on, have a try. Huh? Go on, you can do it. Hold your stomach in. Go on.
It's just what I expected. Not content with ruining your own life, you're now bent on ruining your daughter's.
Who's ruining my daughter's life? Who is? Bring him in here.
I'm talking about you.
Oh, me? Why, what have I done?
You've chosen a time like this to reduce yourself to a state of pitiful intoxication. And Lord Burbank here to meet you.
Oh, is he here? Good, let's go and meet him. Come on.
You'll not meet anyone. I've been indulgent in the past, but this is the last straw. You'll go straight out of this house, immediately.
Shall I pack his bags, sir?
Yes, and your own as well. You're discharged. Both of you will leave my house. And if you've got a scrap of decency left in you, you'll go without anyone seeing you.
What did he say?
Shh. We mustn't let anybody see us.